The caravan project is done. It feels good to say. I feel like I've said that before, then it ended up not being done. But now it is. It is. So let me run down what happened. So it all started here by chopping down some trees. Slice, slash, slosh. They're gone. Good. Now we have a spot to put the caravan, but you see, the problem is the ground, it can get mushy and then, well, it can sink. That's no good. We don't want a caravan sinking into the ground. That's bad. Bad news for the caravan. So we dump a concrete slab on there. There was actually hours of work, but you get the point. There's a concrete slab now. So now, what are we left needing to do? Well, it's quite simple. We've got a slab, a spot for the caravan to go, and the caravan's inside is built up, done, and ready to be lived in. Now we just need to get the caravan from point A to B, and that's what's done now. It's done. It's been moved. It's in the correct spot. It's where it needed to be, and that's good. I liked it. It was a bit of a process to get there, but hey, overall it actually worked out really nicely in the end, and I was expecting things to go a little bit more wrong, but hey, it worked out. It worked out, that's what I love to hear. So without any further ado, let's go give a look at things now, you know? Not enough of the yap, let's go check it out. Alright, and here it is. In all its glory. On the lovely concrete slab. Now obviously, there is still work to be done around. It's not just going to sit there like this. We're going to build up stuff around it. But the actual caravan itself, I consider done. And the rest of it, I'm not planning to document because, yeah, I just wanted to show the caravan part itself, not the stuff going around it. So this part to me is done. So let me show you guys inside. It's a bit of a mess because these bits fold, well, not fold, but they come inwards. So everything had to be moved so we could get them in. To move it, but here we are. We're currently airing things out. I've got everything over there. There was a bit of moisture, as you can see, that kind of built up, so we're kind of just sorting that out. But here's up here. This is the bed, big old chonkin mattress. You know, this is the new things. We got these they're like just air it out, help air it out in here. They're pretty good. So yeah, pretty nice. Everything in here is looking good. The water still needs to be hooked up, but that's a later problem. I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna put this upside down because you guys don't need to see that. That's it's my graduation certificate, but I don't know if that's bad to show, and I don't want to find out the hard way. Alright, so here we are again. as you can see, as I said, things are a bit of a mess. Like, this table's meant to be in that corner, the couch is meant to be across here. But as I said, we had these two side bits fold in and end up coming into, like, here. So that's why it's like this right now, because they had to fold in. It did drag a bit when coming out, but I think that'll just rub off, if I'm being honest. I think that'll just rub off. We just have to mop it. It needs to be mopped anyway. Still a bit of work to do on the inside, but it's mostly just rearranging things and cleaning things up to look neat again after putting all the sides in and moving it. So not that big of a deal. All the actual like major work is done. It's only very few little things like this here needs to have that put on it. That's about it. Anything else is just like further doing things up just to neaten it up. Like, the current plan is also to take out this cupboard to get a bigger pantry, but that's just like for fun. And also because of this sussy little guy down there. Yeah, that mold appeared in there. That's not good. But ignoring that, it's all good. So yeah, I'll probably do another video when the inside is done, just to fully showcase that. But otherwise, this is pretty much it. This will probably be our second last update video on this whole thing. I've got nothing more to really say on it. You get the idea. And yeah, ready to start living in here. Hey, Bush Life! Subscribe. And the one thing I do want to do is go check where the caravan was originally and see what that's looking like as of now. Because, yeah, I'm interested. This is where it was. This was the back end. You can see where the tyres were placed. Coming up here, this was our front end. This is where the slabs that just help stabilise it were. This is kind of what I'm willing to show. That's kind of the space it was. Where it used to be. So it's just a big dirt patch now. So hopefully the grass just grows back over that over time now. But yeah, stay tuned because I will probably do one final update video showcasing the inside when everything is all nice and done up. I think that would be a cool way to end it off. But yeah, other than that, it's done. We're done. So all that's left to do now is move in. So yeah, I'll update you guys when that process is complete. And yeah, hopefully remember to upload the video in a reasonable time frame. Bye.